Today I will be making slime and sorry, I just took a bath, and I think today I already said we're making slime. So the ingredients to make slime is some clear glue and some water and some salt, which this one I already pre-mixed it with water and salt, and some baking soda and some any color, like some food coloring or any other coloring. And then this one you can use this toothpick to take out the color and put inside the slime, so it'll be easier. And I'll also be using glitter, so it can be so nice and glittery and shiny. And I'll also be using a plastic container and 2 disposable spoons. Okay. Firstly, pour the clear glue into the container.
Okay, faster, bro.
Okay, then I pour it in. Oh no, I'm scared. Okay, this is gonna take a long time.
Squeeze the bottle.
Squeezing it. Oh, okay, this is gonna take slow progress.
Wait,
Oh my goodness. I'm scared I'm gonna use the whole bottle.
Okay, half bottle
Okay,
enough.
half bottle. Okay.
We make a
Oh
little
my
bit.
gosh, it's almost half.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
And
Now, oh, it looks so nice already.
then you
Clear.
put the baking
And then-
powder.
Yeah, I think my
Baking
mom is
soda.
helping me do everything. Okay, now I'm gonna use baking soda. Oh, that's a nice one. Okay, baking soda, like
A
use
little
the
bit.
edge. Yeah, a little bit. The edge.
We put a little bit first. Now
And now we're gonna put water.
this salt water.
Yeah, salt water. Because I don't even need to put the salt. I already put it. So I pour a little bit.
Pour on the spoon first.
Oh, okay.
So
this
you
is
a
dinner.
little bit.
A little bit,
One
like
spoon. One spoon.
like feeding medicine.
Put
This.
more to the center. I cannot see. Okay.
Like this.
Hmm?
Now
Yes.
drop it.
Yeah.
Drop. Okay. I'm scared.
Then use the spoon to stir.
Okay.
Now stir.
Ah, this is so nice.
Stir more.
And now we just stir it up. And by the way, I bought this glue, clear glue from for ₱2 because I'm in Malaysia at my nearby stationery shop.
Going to add some color.
My mom is my assistant. Such a nice assistant.
A little bit will do.
That's such a nice. This reminds me about the Smurf. This reminds me about the Smurf
Okay.
slime I did
Mix it.
at the carnival. The one. Oh, I feel like I'm in Galaxy World or the ocean. If I throw this in the ocean, all the things
Is
will
it
die.
getting thicker?
I think so. Oh no.
Mix some more.
I'm mixing. Oh no. Oh, it feels so nice just stirring it. Oh, so clear.
I think we put more baking powder. See? Let me see. Let me check. Oh, why are there some lumps? Okay,
We need to keep
still
stirring
very
it.
watery. Okay, you stir jewel. I add the baking powder, baking soda. Put bit more. Yeah.
I was inspired by JL plays Roblox and all, because you know why, he also did some slime. But this is not
Oh,
his recipe.
It's getting.
Oh yes!
It's turning.
A
Mix
way
more. Mix
to
more.
make slime without borax.
Mix it more.
Oh my gosh, it's becoming thicker. It's gonna be painful. Oh,
Put more
help!
water.
Oh, this is working so much. So much. Oh.
The side. You didn't do the side.
No, wait, Anya, okay.
Whole thing.
Whole thing. If
Okay,
this spoon
I
breaks, I
pause,
think
pause.
this
On,
is nice.
okay.
Okay. Oh no, I just gotta leave it at here. Okay, well guys, look at the progress. Oh, that's so nice.
More. Mix more.
Mix more.
Mix
Okay.
more.
Mix like I've never.
Until
Until
it's
it
not
becomes-
sticking to the side.
Oh, until it becomes like
Slime.
yeah, like those like very smooth slime that doesn't stick to the
Till
wall
it
and
becomes
stuff.
lumpy. Let me see.
It's so
Oh,
hard.
it's very sticky.
Yeah.
So
Oh, it looks like cotton candy.
it is starting to get off the sides.
Yes.
Ah, see?
Can I touch it?
Yeah. Now you can. Okay. You knead it with your hands. Ah, so sticky. It is still quite
But it
sticky.
doesn't stick to my hand at least.
You must knead it until it's not so sticky.
Like knead it like a pork.
No, knead it like a dough.
Oh, okay. Like this.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, okay. I don't know what. I think my hand is gonna be infested with like so much slime. I should have done green slime
This
to
is so
scare
sticky.
one of my schoolmates. Or just like throw it at them like ah. There's like somebody vomited on me.
So it's almost not sticky already.
Ah, I'm the best kneader in the world. Ah, this feels so nice.
Maybe you should
Look
move.
at my hands. It looks like somebody sneezed on my hand. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's sticking together. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Don't stick together, please.
Yeah, you can. It won't stick already. But you have to knead it more. I
Ah,
think we put more of the
Help
salt
me.
water.
help. Wow.
A bit more salt water. Knead.
Ah, I feel like I'm touching. Like.
Maybe
such-
we can put the glitter now.
My experience with this kind of slime is so good.
Put the white glitter.
Oh, this is so nice.
White glitter.
Oh yes. Oh no. Oh no. What's happening to my hand?
White glitter.
Ah.
Let's see.
Put it.
See, we have
Put
white.
it down. Yes, glitter. Everything glitter with. Yeah, glitter is everything nice. Oh my gosh, my hands
Make
look.
it shine and glittery.
Yes, yes. My dream come true. Glitter.
Just like this. Mix it. Front, back.
After this, I got so much glitter sticking in my hand.
Oh, you will just stick from the. Okay, wait. Okay, go.
This is so nice. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna do like this. Oh, that's so nice. Oh, this is so satisfying. I wonder what happens if I throw this at Max. He will probably run away and never see me again. Oh, the best part is that it's glitter. There's glitter. Oh my god. This is so nice. Oh no, it's gonna. Oh. I wonder who I'm gonna give this to. It just fell apart. Oh no.
You do this. See
Oh my gosh, now it's sticking. Okay, now it's sticking.
how stretchy it is. See?
Yeah, it's really stretchy. Stretchy, sketchy.
It's a little bit sticky. You can make bubble.
Oh my gosh. That's so nice.
You can make like bubble gum. Okay.
Wait, I want to see how long I can stretch it. Oh, it can stretch very long. This slime makes me feel like it's very satisfying and it's very slimy. It's very gooey, but it doesn't stick onto my hand. That's why I love it. Well guys, I think this is gonna be the end of the video and I'll see you guys next time. Wait, And if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe. And if you haven't liked this video, don't forget to like it. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!